Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. This question is asking, new windows are expected to save $10,000 per year in energy cost over its 30-year life for XYZ Inc. at an initial cost of $94,269 and zero salvage value. Find the IRR for this new Windows installation project. Suppose that XYZ's MARR is 8%. Should the new Windows be installed? Okay, now let's see how to find out. Initial cost is given, that is 94,269. 94,269, that is going to be equal to 10,000 per year. 10,000 per year, that's for 30 years. So P over A I asterisk 30 years. And if you solve for this P over A I asterisk 30 years, you're going to get 94,269 divided by 10,000. That's going to give us 9.4269. And from the interest table, if you look at this one, this value, you will get, that is P over A 10% 30 years gives us the exact same value, 9.4269. So the IRR is going to be 10%. So the IRR for this project is exactly 10%, which is more than MARR of this project, that is 8%, that is given right here. So the project should be accepted. If it's more than MARR, it should be accepted. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch the too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.